how to get Clash Royale dev build for free. So if you want to get the Clash Royale dev built for free, then what you need to do is first exit from the Clash Royale and then go with a browser or Google anything that you're comfortable with and search for supercell creators. And here you need to go with creators.supercell.com and it will take you to your page where it will ask you for your age. Or you can go with join us and it might ask you for your age. You need to enter your age. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you scroll past the age of 16. You won't be able to do this unless you're at least 16 years old. You also have to act professionally and respectfully, and you also have to have 100 plus YouTube subscribers and 25 plus Twitch followers and 1,000 plus TikTok followers. If you meet all those requirements, simply go ahead and put in your age, hit continue, and take the 2 boxes which will be below. Right, this you'll have 2 boxes. Click on it and then go with login with Supercell ID and enter your email address. Fill the form, which once again has to confirm that you're over the age of 16, that you do have a content platform, and then simply go ahead and log in with that platform because you'll have to link the 2. It's going to give you a few different things to link your channel to. You can select Clash Royale, obviously, and just enter your name, enter your creator name, your email, and then your date of birth, and then essentially just agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy it walks you through, and you'll be able to get the Clash Royale dev build for free. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.